Oh, hi, friend. Sorry, I didn't see you there. Don't mind me. I was just looking at these kitchen knives. You must be here about energy transfer. Lucky for you, I was just about to talk about that thing. So, when we're talking about ecology, we have to talk about the transfer of energy. Energy transfer is essential to the fundamental structures of any given ecosystem. And so we're talking about heterotrophic energy transfer. We're talking about things eating other things. And the baseline for this story is, of course, producers. Autotrophic organisms that can make their own energy storing molecules, typically sugar. And so our main form of autotrophy on this planet currently is photosynthesis. Right? But there's also chemosynthesis, which is the first autotrophic mechanism utilized on this planet. Photosynthesis uses the sunlight. Chemosynthesis uses inorganic materials and the heat energy from the planet down in hydrothermic vents to generate sugar molecules. Okay? And so we have our producers as our base, right? And then we create food webs that demonstrate who's eating the producers and then who's eating them. Right? And so I have producers, I have primary consumers, I have secondary consumers, I have tertiary consumers, and then on upwards. Okay? On every level of transfer, about 10% of the energy makes it from one level to the next. Right? And so if I have some grass and the grass makes 500 kilojoules of energy, right? When I have a bunny that eats the grass, only about 50 kilojoules of energy will make it to the bunny. Okay? This is what's called the 10% rule. And in reality, it varies fairly wildly, honestly, between one set of organisms and another. Right? So depending on who's eating who, that can go down as low as 2%, 1%, and up to 20% if somebody's really good at eating somebody else. Right? So like if I eat grass, I'm not getting 10% of the energy out of that grass. But if a cow eats the grass, it might get 15, 18% of that energy. Right? All depends on who's doing it. More efficient metabolism for that particular food type increase the energy output. Right? And now the transfer of energy, the movement of energy, the creation of energy, right, is important for all aspects of life. It impacts reproductive strategies, it impacts population size, it impacts population density groupings, distribution of how organisms live in any given area. Right? And so you can't really tell the story of ecology without telling the story of heterotrophic energy transfer. Okay? Things eating other things. Boom. Bye.